Building wealth isn't just about making money, it's about strategic planning and disciplined saving. Without a solid financial plan, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending and living paycheck to paycheck. However, by planning and saving for your future, you can achieve financial security, grow your assets, and ultimately create long-term wealth. In this guide, we'll explore how planning and saving contribute to wealth building and provide actionable steps to secure your financial future. Many people assume that wealth comes from high income, but even the highest earners can struggle financially if they don't plan and save wisely. Here's how financial planning and saving help build wealth. Creates financial stability, helps you manage money effectively and avoid debt, allows for smart investments, enables you to grow wealth through assets and passive income, prepares you for emergencies, ensures unexpected expenses don't derail your financial goals, provides financial freedom, gives you control over your money and future choices. Let's break down how strategic planning and saving can help you achieve these benefits. A budget is the blueprint for financial success. Without one, it's impossible to track income, control expenses, and maximize savings. Identifies unnecessary expenses and redirects funds towards savings. Helps you allocate money for investments. Prevents debt accumulation by ensuring expenses stay within your income limits. Simple budgeting strategy. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for necessities, rent, bills, groceries. 30% for lifestyle, entertainment, shopping, dining out. 20% for savings and investments. Pro tip, use budget planner tools like Excel sheets or apps to automate tracking. Saving money is one of the most critical steps to building wealth. The earlier you start, the greater the financial rewards due to compound interest. Provides capital for investments, real estate, stocks, businesses. Acts as a safety net during emergencies. Enables long-term financial goals, home ownership, retirement, education. How to save money effectively. Set up an automatic savings plan. Transfer money to savings as soon as you receive your paycheck. Cut unnecessary expenses, reduce dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to avoid financial setbacks. Pro tip, use high-yield savings accounts to earn better interest on your savings. Saving alone won't build significant wealth. To multiply your money, you need to invest wisely. Types of investments for wealth building: stocks and bonds, earn returns through dividends and market growth. Real estate, generate passive income from rental properties. Retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, benefit from tax advantages and long-term growth. Side businesses, create additional income streams. Compound interest grows your money over time. The earlier you invest, the more your wealth multiplies. Diversification reduces financial risk. Spread investments across different assets to protect against losses. Passive income creates financial freedom. Investments generate money even when you're not actively working. Pro tip, start investing small but consistently. Even 100 month can grow significantly over time. Many people neglect retirement planning, assuming they'll save later. However, the sooner you start, the more secure your future will be. Provides a stable income source after you stop working. Reduces reliance on Social Security or government support. Allows you to maintain your desired lifestyle in retirement. How to plan for retirement. Contribute to 401k or IRA accounts. Maximize employer-matched contributions. Invest in index funds and bonds for stable long-term growth. Set retirement goals and adjust savings accordingly. Pro tip, use retirement calculators to estimate how much you need to save. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can drain your finances and limit investment opportunities. How to reduce debt effectively. Pay off high-interest debt first. Credit cards, payday loans. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off small debts first for motivation. Avoid unnecessary borrowing and live within your means. Pro tip, negotiate lower interest rates or consolidate loans to save on repayments. Successful wealth building requires long-term financial planning. Setting goals and working toward them ensures you stay on track. How to create a financial plan. Define short-term 1 to 3 years, mid-term 3 to 10 years, and long-term 10 plus years financial goals. Set a plan to increase income, career growth, side businesses. Reevaluate your finances annually and adjust your strategies. Example of a financial goal plan. Time frame, goal, action plan. 1 year, save $10,000 emergency fund, cut expenses, increase savings rate. 3 years, buy rental property, save for down payment, research real estate. 10 years, achieve financial independence, invest consistently, increase passive income. Pro tip, use spreadsheets to track your financial progress. Wealth building is a long-term process that requires planning, saving, and investing wisely. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve financial security and build lasting wealth. Key takeaways: budget wisely to track income and expenses, save consistently and prioritize an emergency fund, invest early to grow wealth over time, plan for retirement and financial independence, reduce debt to free up funds for wealth building. Start your wealth building journey today by taking small but consistent financial steps.